we're at a house in Tottenham and we're looking at using a battery to store electricity that's been generated from solar panels. So Sue here is the householder, and I'm going to just ask her a few questions about why she wanted to install a battery. But first of all, she installed her solar panels in 2015. She has 10 solar panels. So Sue, what made you think about installing solar panels?
Well, as soon as I heard about it, I wanted to do it, but they wouldn't do it at first because my house doesn't face south. So they would only do south facing, but then later on they decided they could do west as well.
Yeah, I mean, the technology of solar panels has improved enormously over the last few years. A, they've become cheaper, and B, they've become more efficient. And panels don't have to be in direct sunlight. They use the light as much as the direct sunshine. So I have solar panels on my house and they face east and west. And in the summer, they generate electricity from 6 o'clock in the morning till 9 o'clock at night. But Sue, you also decided to have a battery installed. Why was that?
Well, the people who installed the panels, of course, they wanted to sell me as much as they could. But I thought a battery was a good idea because it would keep the electricity that I generated.
That's exactly right. There's no point at the moment in having a battery if you're not generating your own electricity. But it makes financial sense if you generate electricity that you cannot use, maybe you're not at home during the daytime, to store it for you to use at night. So actually going through the process, was it very disruptive having the work done?
Oh, I can't really remember. It wasn't too bad. It was 5 years ago, so I've forgotten exactly what happened, but no, it wasn't as bad as some of the other things I've had done, like when I've had the polystyrene plasterboard put on all the walls and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, don't forget, if you're having solar panels put up, you will have to have scaffolding. I mean, the installers will manage all that for you, but yeah, Sue mentioned there the fact that her loft is boarded in. So insulation is a very important part of making your home energy efficient. And before you think about solar panels, you should think about insulation, because the fabric of your house is the most important thing. That's where your heat loss, that's where the heat goes, if you like, out through the walls and the roof. So Sue had a 9 kilowatt battery installed. That's quite a big capacity battery. So I suppose I should ask you, has it reduced your energy bills?
Yes, I think it has. I haven't got the figures in front of me, but I'm not spending much on electricity.
Great, that's what we want to hear. And did carrying out this work inspire you to do more things to reduce your carbon footprint?
Yes, whenever I hear of something I could do, I try to do it, like putting in double glazed windows and trying to block up places where the air escapes all the cracks and everything. I'm sure there's much more I could do. We all could.
OK, well, thank you very much. It sounds like you have a really nice green home.
Hi, Sonia here. My Go Green tip is to install some radio installation panels that are very cost effective and money saving.
Hello, my name is Patrick and I'm a gardener. I'm helping Sue here in our garden. I think the best thing to look at when you're gardening is protecting the soil. It's not really the flowers and the plants that you grow, it's how you protect and feed the soil. And it's very important in the winter time. You keep it covered. You don't leave any parts of the soil bare, as the weather will destroy the crumb in the soil through the harsh weather and through rain. So it's a good idea to look after your soil and to feed it all the time. Put lots of organic matter on it and help it to be free draining, and make sure definitely don't leave it bare. Keep it covered from the weather. That's my Go Green tip for you.